Hello guys, this is Mehul back here again with another new video, and today we're gonna be talking about DAWs. So what is DAW? DAW or DAW means Digital Audio Workstation. So basically a place for music producers to produce a music, and that's about it. So there are plenty of DAWs here like now to in order for you to download and test them out. But you are starting out, and you don't need to download a DAW. Like you don't need to download at least 5 GB program in your PC, and if you also download that might not run in your PC if you have like lower specifications. And just to try out and just to get a little things done, just like maybe vocal recording, or maybe playing with some synths, playing with some instruments. So just to do this simple part, you don't have to download a whole program, right? So here are some of the DAWs, online DAWs that I have curated a list of them. So let me share about them in today's video. So here is our first DAW, that is BandLab, and BandLab is quite popular. So you may know about it. Actually, everyone like in Android users used to download BandLab in their phone and try out things. But yeah, in this PC version, not PC version, in this web version, they provide a lot of things. So you can obviously start from here. Like whenever you start a new project, they will provide you those templates like MIDI devices, MIDI synths. This is not trees. This is specifically drum machine, but yeah, MIDI instruments, MIDI sampler, voice, guitar, and blah blah blah, lots of things. So you can obviously import your own audio here also, own audio or MIDI device, and obviously you can browse from samples, and they have a quite collection of samples. So really simple and easy to use interface. You can start adding tracks from here. Like if I add a synth here, like yeah, it's it's easy, basically it's easy, so no problem at all. And this platform is totally free, like really this platform is totally free, no charges at all. And yeah, that's about it. And there is another software, that is Soundtrap, like another web app, that is Soundtrap is also easier to use, and they have also clean interface, but they are not actually totally free. They have a free account with which you can obviously create the unlimited music. And for the upgradation, or to get more samples, you have to purchase the upgrade plan. You have to upgrade, and they have quite a lot of plans. Like they have 4 plans, I think. So obviously you can check it out. So they are also fair enough, easy to use. And obviously they one thing they have, that is they have this thing, like you can select a podcast session, like podcast template, or online one man choir template. Like if I upload, like not upload, if I load this thing, so I can obviously start using it. So here is a play button, basically that's it. Oh, it's so cool. Isn't it really cool? I liked it. So okay, let's go to our next software too. That is Audio Tool, and Audio Tool is quite different. So if you have ever used the Composer tool in Blender, or Fusion in like DaVinci Resolve, so you know what it looks like. So this software is basically that type of. So it approaches everything differently. So it's something you should keep in mind, that it is not a general draw or like linear draw that we used to use everywhere. Okay, so here are also simple. You can like obviously see the demos, create new project, and open your previous project. And obviously if I select from demo, it's loading. Yeah, so I have some of them. So let's choose one. Let's see. Okay. Here you see the arrangement of instruments, right? So obviously they have done something a little bit differently. Like, yeah, you can select it from here. Here is the here is some of the scenes. Here are compressors, and all are laid out and connected to each other in in a such a pattern. Like, it looks different. And yeah, yeah, see, this is connected. This section is connected to everything. Yeah, see. So I don't know how many of you will like this approach. To be honest, I don't like this approach at all. But you may like it. I don't know. So try it. Try those out yourself. So yeah, that's about it about this video. Try those platforms out, and all of those platforms are quite free, so you can obviously try out like for a couple of times and then see which one suits you, or maybe you can download a DAW yourself. So whatever that may be, obviously your choice. So that's it about this video. And if you like my contents, please subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the cool apps, some of the cool web apps, or some of the cool plugins, extension, blah blah blah, please let me know about them in the comments below too, so I can feature them in my future video. So that's about it now, right now. So bye.